Hello, Achiever, and welcome to day 4 of this 10-day calm meditation. And in this series, we're going to learn how to be calm no matter what is going on around you. Let's get started. And on today's meditation, we are really going to just check in, right? Check in internally and be self observant and self aware of what's going on inside. Now, what I would like you to do is to get in a space of comfort, a position of comfort, and to close your eyes or do a gentle gaze. Let's get started. Gently close your eyes or do a soft gaze down to your nose. And I want you to imagine that you just entered an empty room. And as you look around this room, you see nothing but walls. And in this room, there's no judgment, no expectation, no comparison, and no rules. And anything or any event that happened preceding entering this room, I will kindly ask of you to leave it at the door. In this room, you are the creator, and there are no limits and no rules. And now I want you to remain in this room throughout the meditation. Now bring your attention to the tip of your nose and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And observe, is the air thick? Is it thin? Is it going through one nostril or two nostrils? Do you feel the air touching the top of your lip, or is it just a sensation? And if you need to, just take a couple conscious breaths so that you can feel the air. Is the temperature cool as it goes in? Does the temperature change as you exhale? If any thoughts arise, if you're doing this right or wrong, just observe it and be aware of the way that it makes you feel for a couple seconds. And then bring your attention back to the tip of your nose and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And I would like you to count from 1 to 5 on each exhale. So when you breathe in and when you breathe out, that's 1. And do not try to alter your breath. If you're breathing slow, breathe slow. If you're breathing fast, breathe fast. Just count with the rhythm of your breath. And now I want you to bring your attention to your shoulders and drop your shoulders. Make sure you release any tension in your shoulders. And be aware of the movement in your shoulders as the air goes in and out. Just observe. And if thoughts arise about the past or the future, be aware of it and then bring your attention back to your shoulders. Now bring your attention to your chest and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your chest, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Do not try to control your breath. You're just observing the air as it goes in and out of your chest. And if any thoughts arise that causes any stress, any anxiety, any discomfort, observe it without judging it, without labeling it. And now bring your attention back to your chest and be aware of the air as it goes in and out. And if any thoughts arise of what am I supposed to be doing next, just be aware of how that makes you feel. Observe it and then bring your attention back to your chest. And just observe the air going in and out of your chest, keeping your shoulders relaxed. And as this meditation comes to a close, I would like you to take 3 deep breaths. And on the inhale, we're going to inhale calm. And on the exhale, we're going to let go. Let go of any tension, any worry, any anxiety. Here we go. Take a deep breath in. Bring your shoulders back. Fill your chest and abdomen with air. And breathe in calm. And now exhale and let go. Let go. Let go of the past. Let go of any event that happened before this. Here we go. Deep breath in. Calm. Breathe in calm. Fill your chest with calm. Fill your abdomen with calm. And now let go. Let go of any disturbance. Let go of any worry. Let go. Relax your shoulders. Do not tense up your shoulders. Relax. Breathe in. Shoulders up. Breathe in calm. Exhale. Let go. Let go. Let your shoulders go. Let your chest go. And take a couple natural breaths. And when you are ready, you may open your eyes. And remember, this is an empty room. There's no judging. There's no labeling. The experience you just had is the best experience for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave it in the comment section. Bye for now.